With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question here is the set of hormone which leads to formation of secondary messenger like cyclic AMP during their mode of action is. Okay, what is asked in this question? Which of this following set of hormone will activate the cyclic AMP during the mode of action? This is the question. See, there are two type of mode of action we can see. Okay, in one type what happens, the hormone they can bind to the membrane bound receptor. So suppose this is a hormone here, and this hormone bind to a membrane bound receptor, because they cannot directly cross the plasma membrane. So suppose this was a plasma membrane and this receptor is present on this or embedded in this plasma membrane. Okay, and the hormone, it is binding to the plasma membrane bound receptor. Okay, now what happens, they will initiate the another protein which is called as G protein inside the cell, and G protein that activate one enzyme which is called as adenylyl cyclase. And this adenylyl cyclase, what they do, they actually synthesize CAMP from ATP. Okay, so basically they convert ATP into cyclic AMP, and this cyclic AMP act as a secondary messenger. That means now it will initiate a response, initiate a biochemical response. That means it will make your DNA or your gene to express on and to produce certain protein. Okay, this type of mode of action is seen in case of protein or peptide hormones. Okay, so this is one type of mode of action. In the other type, what happens, the hormone, suppose this is a plasma membrane and this is a hormone. The hormone directly cross the plasma membrane and they bind to the intracellular receptor. Okay, receptor present inside the cell. Okay, and they bind the intracellular receptor and make hormone receptor complex, and now they will initiate the biochemical response. Okay, but what is asked in this question is, we have to identify such set of hormone here, they will activate the CAMP. In this pathway, CAMP is not activated. This type of mode of action is seen by steroid hormone as well as the thyroxine. Thyroxine, it is an amino acid derivative, but it is a small molecule, so it can directly cross the plasma membrane. Okay, now we'll read the options here. The first option is LH, FSH and ACTH. All these three hormones are your peptide hormones. Okay, LH is the luteinizing hormone, FSH is follicular stimulating hormone, and ACTH is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Okay, so they all are the peptide hormone. So they will activate the G protein, they will give this type of response, this one. Okay, so this is your correct option here. The second option is estrogen, oxytocin and FSH. See, estrogen is a steroid hormone, so it won't activate G protein, so this becomes incorrect. Third is cortisol, estrogen, progesterone. All are steroid, so none of them will activate this cyclic AMP here, so this is also incorrect. Fourth is thyroxine, estradiol. Estradiol is again the type of estrogen, so it is the steroid. Thyroxine, it is the amino acid derivative, but it won't activate CAMP. Okay, it won't form CAMP, so only LH will form here CAMP, so this also becomes the incorrect option. So it is the correct option here that will lead to formation of secondary messenger is the peptide hormones, which are your LH, FSH and ACTH. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.